Feeling good? You're about to feel even better. I'm Simon, a trader with 7 years of experience, and my win rate is almost 89%. Today, I've got something mind-blowing for you. These are my trading results for the past week. I recorded all my steps for a whole week just for this 10-minute video. Now we'll break down my strategy. It hits the jackpot based on analytics, knowledge, and calculations. Grab a tea, everything will be a piece of cake because you've got me. Hey guys, Simon here, the guy with 7 years of trading under his belt. I won't brag, but my win rate is a solid 88.7%. Trading is like an orchestra. I've written a foolproof strategy and my Telegram subscribers just follow me. They are my violins, each with its own sound. Together we create a beautiful symphony. Just yesterday, we made 494,000 together, which is over 700 per person. How about that? And if I tell you I do 3 trading sessions a day, like that? Then click the link in the description and the first pinned comment and join my Telegram channel. There's room for all the violins in my orchestra. Alright, ready to kick things off, shall we? First things first, we're heading on over to the trading platform and getting it ready. Alright, let's set the trade time to 1 minute and hey, the deposit rate is 100. This strategy has already netted me over 30,000. And the best part is that it's based on classic risk management. So, kissing your deposit goodbye? Not gonna happen. Now let's set our candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. Onto the currency pairs. Today we're going with Aussie and the Canadian dollar, Aussie and the Swiss franc, Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, the Australian and the US dollar. All of these currency rates are boasting a juicy 92% rate. Sounds good. And last but not least, the secret sauce, our analytical buddies, the stochastic and the RSI indicators. Stay tuned till the end and I'll break down how they work and how they help understand the chart. Now it's time for the grand reveal of one of my safe strategies. Your undivided attention, please. The Australian and the US dollar. Both indicators are screaming price hike, and those bullish candlesticks, they are itching to break through the resistance. We gotta be careful and wait for the perfect entry point. We're seeing some movement. Let's click higher. And boom! This was a smart move. We went in with caution and clarity. As a result, 192. But attention here, we'll stash away the 100 and invest the rest 92. Got it? I'm not gonna use my initial deposit because if something goes wrong, I'll still have it. Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, the chart doesn't seem primed for an upward movement, plus the stochastic indicator signals a drop in buy interest. Let's go with lower. Very good. We're keeping 100 aside one more time and investing 176 again. Alright, Aussie and the Swiss franc. Both indicators suggest a downward trend. A strong bullish bounce ends with sellers pushing the price back to the previous support level. We're opting for a lower trade here. My strategy is literally zero loss. That's my rule. No need to take risks. Any beginner can follow my steps. If trading is a fancy Michelin dish, then I'm the chef. And my Telegram channel is the cookbook, the restaurant menu, and the guestbook of happy clients. Scratch that, they are more like my apprentice chefs. These guys also whip up amazing dishes. Sometimes I'm surprised at how fast they learn. Now, who am I kidding? Some don't even try to become traders. They just copy my trades and get great results. Who knew it could be that clear-cut? And how much does that subscription cost? Nothing, for now. So you don't have time to hesitate. Click the link in the description and the first pinned comment. Meanwhile, trade number 3 nets me 438. I'm steadily growing while keeping my initial deposit intact. Beautiful. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. The volume on this asset is relatively low. We can see that from the short candles. This indicates buyers lack the strength to push the chart upward. Let's go with lower. $749, no need for envy, anyone can do it this way. Let's adjust the deposit rate. Moving on to the Australian and the US dollar. It's evident that buyers have exhausted their potential and we're likely looking at a downward movement. Both indicators confirm our prediction. Let's hit that button. I'm passing on 7 years of trading wisdom, so it's time to show some appreciations. Hit that like button to put a smile on your personal trading coach's face. $1,346, and it's a fantastic result. We now have 346 saved up and we're investing 1,000. The Australian and the New Zealand dollar, judging by the ratio of green and red candles, buyers are more active on this pair. They're pushing prices to new heights. I suspect this pattern will repeat itself even after the red candles. Here we go. We've reached 2,266. Can you guess how much I'm investing now? Just 1,000. Why? Because there's no need to be greedy. Chasing bigger gains can lead to bigger losses, so don't be greedy, guys. Aussie and the Swiss franc, sellers are clearly dominating this pair, pulling the price down. It's pretty obvious that the red candles are getting strong here. We're trading lower. Going further, the Australian and the Canadian dollar both indicate a signal a drop with powerful red candles dominating. It's as if all the buyers have left the asset. Let's go with lower. If you want to trade like a pro, you need to level up your knowledge. That's why I'm dishing out indicator insights, trading tricks, and dissecting mistakes in my trading club for free. Every single day, I share trading signals with my 24,000 subscribers, and together we make over 494,000 per session. If you want to be one of them, all you gotta do is subscribe using the first link in the description or pinned comment. $4,106 in my account. Amazing. Let's keep going. The situation looks similar for the Australian dollar and bucks. Both indicators and candle patterns suggest a price drop. Let's ride the wave down. Today we're utilizing excellent indicators as promised earlier. Here they are. The RSI helps gauge the market sentiment. Its value scale allows you to assess the overall trend strength as well as the current level of oversold or overbought assets. The stochastic is highly effective in predicting price changes, making it ideal for anticipating upcoming impulses and the direction of candle movements. And just like that, we've surpassed 5,000. My initial investment is now virtually safe. Let's wrap up the session on a high note. Aussie and the New Zealand dollar. Both are persistently driving the price higher. Stochastic indicates a continuation of the movement. That's it. Incredible. This strategy is truly mind-blowing. 5,946. From a beginner to a trading pro, my 7-year journey proves that anything's possible. Join in or you'll miss out. Just kidding. There's plenty of fish in the sea for everyone, and there will always be room for new victories. But I really hope you begin your journey to the top right now. Link in the description and the first pinned comment.